Setting up a bone IK rig is a common thing that you would do when setting up, say, a character with legs and arms and things like that. And there's a feature that will make light work of that kind of setup, and I thought we could take a look at it. So I'm going to go ahead and hop over to this right view. Just going to zoom in, and let's add a null, and this is just going to be our character. We'll say that this is the object, say a character of some sort. Okay, and there's our character. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a couple joints. So I'm going to head over to Setup, and under Add, I'm going to choose Draw Child Joints. And I'm going to make the hip, the thigh, and the lower leg. Now this could be shoulder, upper arm, lower arm. It would be pretty much the same setup. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select these two joints. I'm going to come over to Utilities, and under Additional, I'm going to choose Make Joint Chain. And it does the setup for me. It's pretty much ready to go. I'm just going to tell it that this particular joint, I want it to be unaffected by IK of descendants. My suggestion would be to place Make Joint Chain. Go ahead and place it under the Setup tab, but by default, with the default menus, you're going to find it under the Utilities tab, under Additional. Now with this setup, I'm just going to grab this item here, and as you can see, I'm already set up with IK. One of the nice things is this setup takes advantage of the new pole vector, so I'm going to go ahead and head over to the perspective window and see that if I want to position, if in this case was a knee or an elbow, if I want to position that, I can just grab this item, and now I'm using the pole vector to change the direction that the elbow or the knee is pointing in. Okay, so that's just a really quick example of taking advantage of Make Joint Chain, which again is found under Utilities, Additional, Make Joint Chain. It's an easy way to set up an IK rig.